Places where culturally unyenyekevu ule ambao unahitajika kazi zingine za nyumbani sio unyenyekevu ambao unapatikana sana kati ya watu wetu. So sometimes our people will not be so subservient, and when they go to these countries and they're under contract, and in a country like in Saudi Arabia, their traditions around housework are very ancient, let's put it that way. So you find that the people who suffer the terrible beatings, the people who suffer abuse, are usually people who are of that category. 1,000 Kenyans working in different capacities in hotels, in transport, in taxis, we have no problem. So we have to ask ourselves, are we exporting the right category of personnel? And do they have the right capacity and training to understand that culture before they leave and go and work there? There are over $310 million a month coming from the diaspora. Our diaspora experience is an exciting and positive experience. But I urge you to really be careful that as we deal with this problem, we don't destroy this amazing opportunity that we have for jobs and job creation for young Kenyans in the Middle East.